Hi there, Don Kavanagh here from Wine Searcher and Whiskey Searcher again. Today we're going to try something a little bit different. Normally in these tastings I've been looking at whiskey and occasionally brandy, the odd rum perhaps, but today we're going to look at gin. And what we're looking at is a very special gin because it's possibly the only famous thing ever to emerge from County Leitrim in Ireland. Leitrim is up in the sort of northwest Midlands of Ireland and is literally famous for very little apart from one thing, and that is this Drumshanbo Gunpowder Gin. Now, Drumshanbo is a little town in Leitrim. It used to be a big mining town. It had food processing plants, and a lot of that stuff closed down during the terrible days in the 1980s and 1990s, and so when a distillery started up there, it put the place back on the map, which was nice. Which is even nicer, of course, is the gin. A lot of people have been talking about this because it's a little bit different. How different? Well, let's see. Okay, so the first thing you notice is there's a big smash of juniper, which you'd expect from gin. But there's also that lovely big citrus bite, just comes straight at you. But there's also something else in there that's a little bit different, and which is where it gets its name. It doesn't use gunpowder itself. The gunpowder reference is to tea. That's a style of green tea. And the leaves are dried, and then they're rolled into little bullets almost, and then they're steeped in the mash. And what it gives this beautiful kind of perfumed note on the nose. And it just goes beautifully with the juniper, the underlying bed of juniper, and that lovely, lovely garnish of excellent citrus, lemon and lime, yuzu, those kind of flavours. Let's see what it tastes like. It's quite distinctive. It's, again, full-on citrus with a solid bed of juniper underneath, and just around the edges of the palate, with this lovely little tingling from the tea. That's really nice. That would be fantastic in a Negroni. Ooh, nice stuff. I have to say, I'm starting to like Leitrim more and more. Cheers.